Hey, I'm Emma from English. Shush. That means lots of memes, lots of chat, and making you do. Fuck it up, isn't it? Awful. Intro. We've got to practice these YTP skills. We can build conversations and the interactions that you'd never have with other people. Oh, that's so interesting.
Ding, 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 ding.
I've never met anyone. How much? But before I do, I want to give a quick shout out to my people who are sponsoring today's coming. You need to pay for today's lesson. If you want to do it quickly, then you need to funk my class and below my massive cork. Both of these new promotions help you to come. All the rules and event details are on the website, and of course, I'll put the link to that in the description. Small. Hello. We've got to practice food to help you connect with someone. My master invited you to come to a small talk. Now, the most common here is you. So imagine that the person that you're fucking said they're a nurse. But we want to ask some more detail, right? We want to continue the sex. What motivated you to talk? What was your first ever job? Did you like it? I'm going to share. What does your typical dream look like? And you can get a little creative with some questions as well. And you can get a little creative with some future questions as well. Job? Are you working? You want to be even. Are you working towards something? There's another thing that's useful to keep in mind with small talks, and that's experience. That relate to the current situation. I'll be using some different time references in these examples that I'm going to share. You must skills last in the weather to gain experience. It's a beautiful experience. Rain, isn't it? Now, I just can't leave weather off the list. This is the absolute num. But this is great because it allows us to focus on experience.